This is a fit for a 2014 through 2018 and possibly beyond BMW X5 with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade bars with integrated feet. This is part number 7603B. The front position offers 37.5 inches of usable bar space between the feet. It connects to the flush side rails using the Thule Complete Fit Kit, part number KIT 4023. This includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal brackets which grip to the flush side rail. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 30 inches from front to rear, center to center. This rear AeroBlade Edge load bar is also 7603B, and it has 36.25 usable bar space between the feet. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.